Okay, so hello. Today we are going to two places, Lake Serene and Bridal Veil Falls. So we're in the parking lot now. There are quite a few cars here, quite a bit filled up, and we're gonna start in a bit. Let's go. No fee required. She finds too much. 8.2 to 8 Serene, Lake Serene is what it says when I check. Starting, people, it's starting. Starts with the stream. Ha ha ha. Ooh, very nice. Very nice. Up, 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 up. Fall. Okay, this is what I'll do. Wow, there's still snow a little bit at the very top of the mountains. So this is the view. Okay, Lake Serene. It's truly serene. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the water. I'm not sure what gives it the teal kind of hue, but it's magnificent. Look at this. And there's a little snow around. You have to climb far to get these great views. I don't mind. Wow, and look at the backdrop. Look at these peaks. Ay, ay, ay. Magnifico. Wow. Lovely. Now, let me show you. This is, I guess, a bridge, except instead of two railings, it only has one railing. So at some points, it actually looks like a seat without a back. Yeah. from here, it's another view of Lake Serene. Take it in. You ready? Oh, you ready? The lake is alive with the sound of music. All right, I am back in the parking lot after this hike. It's been about 6 hours and counting. We did Bridal, Vale, Waterfall. That one was the easier of the two, and then the harder one was Lake Serene. A lot of switchbacks, very steep, but I don't regret it. I enjoyed it fully. It was fun. So see you on the next adventure. Bye bye.